Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to deploy a website quickly and easily with Netlify using a super simple method. This is perfect for those of you looking to create a static website, a personal site, or a portfolio to showcase your work to potential employers. First, head over to netlify.com. Netlify is a powerful and convenient platform for website hosting and deployment, especially for static projects. One of the biggest advantages of Netlify is that it allows you to deploy and update your site in just a few minutes with a simple drag-and-drop feature. To get started, all you need to do is create an account or log in using your Gmail account. Once you're in the Sites tab, simply drag and drop your website source folder into the Deploy Manually section. Your site is now live at the generated URL. You can also customize this URL. Just go to Site Configuration, change the name, and save it. Now your URL is updated. If you ever want to delete the site, go to Site Configuration, scroll down to the bottom, and select Delete. For those using React, run npm run build to build your project. Then drag the newly created build folder into the Deploy Manually section. Thank you for sticking around till the end of the video. I hope this tutorial helps you deploy a website quickly and easily.